and still continue to detox and not go back to our old habits. And actually, that's a very complicated subject, but actually comes down to something very simple. If you just follow some basic rules of living your life, you can do that. Number one and foremost is going to bed early. If you go to bed early and you wake up early, you will have had a very restorative sleep. All of your cells would have been restored and cleaned. You'll have energy. You'll feel really good. Okay, number one. Number two, when you get up in the morning, the first thing you do is pray. The second thing you do is read. And what do you read? You read scripture and you read books about health and healing. Truth. Not books about disease and all that madness, but truth. You read about nutrition. You read about these things. You read about these things. I've got a list of books. You need to understand nutrition. Why? Because you need to understand how to live. You need to learn how to appreciate this gift of life that we have and how to nurture it. Third thing you do, exercise. Exercise. Sweat, get your heart beating. Sweat, get your exercise, get your muscles going. Then, fourth thing you should do is take a shower.
Shower?
Yeah, but you shouldn't, or bath, or whatever, get clean. And then start your day. Now, when we're sleeping, we're not eating, and one of the words for not eating is called fasting. So when you went at some point in the day, so when you go to bed, you're starting your fast. Now, when are you going to break your fast?
12.
You don't have to break your fast when you get up, calling it breakfast. You can break your fast at noon. In fact, the longer you have between meals, the more you'll have the cleansing of those, like I told you before, inside your cells.
To make it stronger?
Yeah. Check out, if you go online, just check out Vegan Strongman, 1 meal a day. Just put that in your Vegan Strongman, 1 meal a day. Anyway, pretty interesting. So, now, so you do that, and then let's say you decide you don't want to change your diet. You want to continue to eat kebab. Okay. Just eat between 12 or 1 and 4 or 5 and stop eating. And then, because you're going to go to bed at about 8 or 9. So you want to have 3 hours before going to bed where you didn't eat, so that you can get the best restful sleep. Your your body won't be busy trying to deal with the food. Your body will be cleaning house. So even if you don't change your diet, however, when you came to LifeCo, you learned a little bit about diet. You learned about making smoothies and making, and salads and stuff like that. So at least the 50% of that diet that you're only eating between 12 and 4 is vegetables and fruits and nuts and seeds, healthy things. And you just save a little bit of the slimy, dirty corpse, greasy, fried corpse for at the end. So eat the salad first and then dine on the corpse at the end. And if you do that, you'll find that you actually will be really healthy. The problem with when you go back is that you're going to go back to eating early, you're going to be eating too much food, and you're going to be eating it all day. So if you can break the habit of eating between 12, just eat 12 to 4, go to bed early, wake up early, pray or meditate, read, exercise. Your life will be different. You'll keep what you got here. And then you come here 4 times a year, or come here once a year, and at the other 3 times a year, you can do a detox at home. But you need to get away from your madness for at least 1 time a year and come to a place like LifeCo. It doesn't have to be LifeCo, but it's a good choice.